What are you up to?
Just going to do a tune on a TD42, so just a pre-run. Apparently it's getting hot up big hills. So we've got 18 to 1, about 9 pound of boost, so that would probably indicate where the heat's coming from. A bit of a fan issue or a airflow issue too, but I think we should start looking at fuel. Looks like someone's just wound the fuel screw. So we'll probably put that back to where it's supposed to be and redo the boost compensator properly.
Cool. Hey Tim.
Hi.
Hey Pat, how did the TD go?
Very well. Customer had lost some confidence in his vehicle because he was towing up a big hill and the engine temp got high. He replaced the radiator, which improved it, but still had some issues. So as it was delivered, we had sort of around 18.5 down to sort of 17 to 1 air fuel ratios here. So it's pretty common for heating with TD42, especially in standard form. So this was a completely standard vehicle. Someone had played with the fuel screw without setting the pump up properly. So we've set it up as best it can be. It's probably a tiny little bit rich in the top end, but the turbo starts to run out of efficiency and so does the intercooler. So all in all, gained pretty well. Lifted some boost, adjusted the boost compensator to suit, and we picked up some pretty good horsepower and torque for around sort of numbers for a standard TD. Quite well, pretty happy with it.